Hello children, welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to learn about articles, chapter 1 of English practice book of class 7. So what are articles? Let's know about it first. So we will move on to the box given below. Here you can see the remember box. A, an and the are articles, and articles are used before nouns. For example, a boy, the moon, a person, the magician. So children, let's read the worksheet number 1 and we will see how the articles a and the are used in the passage. I met a boy. The boy was crying. I walked up to him and asked him the reason. He told me that the moon was not bright and the weather was not too fine. He had sat by the Kaveri for hours but had not been able to find a single person to help him reach the fort on top of the hill. He had to reach there as he had to meet the magician. So children, if you will now focus on the bold letters, you can understand here that how the article a and the are used. Here I will explain you. I met a boy. So when we use a before boy, it refers to the boy in general, and when we use the boy, it refers to boy in particular. So when we want to talk about boy in particular, then we will use the before it, and when we want to talk about boy in general, we will use a before it. Now let's know about the rules of the articles. A, an and the are articles. I have discussed that with you. Now a and an are indefinite articles and the is a definite article. Fine. The is a definite article because it is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. So when we want to talk about a particular person, place, animal or thing, then we use the before it, which is a definite article, and we particularize the noun over here. And when we use a and an before the noun, so it is used to modify the non-specific or non-particular nouns, which means when we want to talk about the nouns in general, then we use a or an before it. So let's see here, a is used before the words that are beginning with the consonant sounds. For example, a boy, a bird. So first of all, let me explain you that in our alphabet we have vowel letters also and consonant letters also. So vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U, and the letters with the consonant sound are these ones. You can look over here: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Fine. So these are the consonants. So any word beginning with the consonant letter, we will put a before it. For example, I have discussed with you a boy, a bird. Now next, we can use before a singular noun beginning with the consonant, a book, a school, a dog. Even before vowel letters which don't have the vowel sound, even before them we can use a article. For example, European. Now E is a vowel letter, but the sound is not of a vowel. Sound is U, Y-O-O, U sound. unit, union. So before them we can use a. Fine. Some words start with a vowel letter but begin with a consonant sound. So we use a before these words too, such as a university, a uniform, a 1 rupee note. So here you can see O letter is a vowel letter, but the sound is not vowel. Sound is a consonant one, that is V sound is there. So a 1 rupee note. Fine. Remember this. We use a before words that begin with a consonant. A girl, a clock, a lamp. So here you can see G, C, L are the consonant letters with which the words are beginning. So before them we will put a article. Where can we use an? Now let's learn about that. We can use an before a word beginning with a vowel, such as idiot, apple. So before them we will use an idiot, an apple. Before a word beginning with H but not sounded. So the words where the H letter is used, that is a consonant letter, but the sound of H is not there, it is silent, such as an honor. Here you can see O sound is coming, honor, O, an R, an honest man, O sound, honest man. So an is used here because H is silent over here. Fine. Now let's see here. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. An orange, an umbrella, and I. So here you can see U letter is there, but the sound of U is not there. A sound is there. An umbrella. That's why an is used before it. So children, I hope you have understood the usage of a or an. Now I will also discuss with you where we omit the article. So before few nouns we do not use articles. What are that? Before the names of relations such as father, uncle, sister. Before the names of material, gold, silver, diamond. Before proper noun, lotus, Chennai, Priya. Before abstract noun, honesty, wisdom, truth. Before language, Tamil, Hindi, English. Before certain phrases like at noon, by train, on foot. So before these we do not use article, kindly remember that. So now let's move on to the worksheets and let's see how to do it. So we will move on to the worksheet number 1 I have done with you, worksheet 2. In the sentences given below, fill in the blanks using a or an. So now you have to see where you are going to write a and where you are going to use an. First one I will discuss with you. My father is honest man. So now honest is a vowel sound. So what we will put before it? An. He is very rich, still he drives old car. Now old, vowel letter and vowel sound. So we will put an before it. He is very rich, still he drives an old car. There is dash lake in the park near my house. Now lake, L is a consonant letter, consonant sound. So we will put a before it. So children, I hope you have understood how to do the worksheet 2. Fine. So now we will move on to the next worksheet. You can read this note box also. I have discussed all these rules with you. Worksheet 3. Now look here. Write the correct article a or an in the following blanks or put this sign where it is not necessary. So where it is not necessary, I have discussed with you where you can omit the article, where you don't have to use it, and we will come down to in the box there the rule is given where we can put this sign. Look here in the box. Articles are not used before uncountable nouns unless we are talking of particular ones. So before uncountable nouns we will put this sign. And I also discussed with you before the abstract nouns also you will use, you will not use article, and you can use this sign. So I will discuss one example with you, like he mustered courage and climbed up the stage. So courage is an abstract noun, and before that we do not use articles, so we will put this sign. And before uncountable nouns also we do not use article. So children, I hope you have understood the usage of a and an. So you will do worksheet 2 and worksheet 3. Fine. So try to complete these two worksheets. Thank you.